guys. Oh, I'm not facing me. Sorry. Hey guys, it's me. And today I just heard something really, really big in the woods. Like I heard a big in the woods. So I wondered what the freak it was. Sorry, I'm watching 22 Jump Street. But anyway, I heard something really big in the woods. And then I was in the middle of my sleep, and all suddenly I hear like a big girl scream, like she got murdered. And then I went back to sleep. Then I couldn't sleep because I knew that scream was gonna go back again and torture me for my whole life. So what I'm gonna do, you guys won't hear, but I'll let you know if I hear anything. Honestly, probably someone's just having fun, like not sex or anything. I mean, like, probably do something. Oh my god, I'm so scared to look out my window though. Okay, I gotta man up, dude. I can't just keep on. Okay. Plus, the woods is so big, it can just echo to my house. I'm sure everybody who was sleeping just heard that. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Okay, so far I do not hear anything. All I hear is like cars from out there from the school. I think I'm hearing something. Oh my god, there was a scream. There was a really big scream. Okay, since I have my window closed, you can't hear it, but I have my window open. And when I heard the scream the first time, I just went. So obviously, back to the thing I was talking about. Sorry I cut out. But anyway, scary. Anyway, and also, I had my window open, so I had a reason that thing was really, really big. Obviously, someone's like scurrying around, and I heard a big boom. So obviously, someone's cutting down trees, and what the frick was that? I think that woods over there is haunted. Keep on looking in my closet. Yeah, guys, I got a Xbox One. It's pretty cool because I really play it. I play FIFA a lot. So I'll make like a video on FIFA, like start over the game. And I'll tell you what's the details. I'm sorry I can't show my face because I do not know how to do that in videos. Like the big square and it shows us. So. Anyway. Gonna end this video right here, and if I hear any more screams or whatever, I'll make another video, maybe tonight or whatever. Okay, bye. Oh my god.